mà tôi lúc cần gọi ông nó chạy nữa. Lo nha kind of.
Rồi con nó lấy cho bé hay để cái này palm trees.
Yeah.
Con nó hộp bảo anh. Nhớ chưa?
And the last.
Hả?
And the bottom one.
Cái này.
Lúc mà lúc free bus nó giờ nên lần thứ tôi tại Key West nên right lúc nào nè nên lo chạy nó nè. There's 18 stops. And I think it goes from 8 to 5. That's not like in Vegas.
No, this is a different one.
Go down to Key West and I'm more chicken. It's just like in Hawaii. But your chicken, it's more on the which part you not they're just everywhere. Nó nói chung lọt thò kia nên đúng nè. Every town có tôi là những mọi ý cho free ride rồi những chơi đấy mà những chỉ bảo giờ vậy. Cho anh nó chỉ bảo trả tiền nữa.
Whitehead and Green Street.
Nó nói chơi thay đổi tiền rồi mới tôi bắt chùa. The Key West Butterfly Conservatory is right here. Look, there's no people here because it's flooded.
Oh, it's still early and raining.
No, usually like they go through, you have to come really early. Oh, they have a bed and breakfast here. They said you have to come really early because the line, usually people line up all the way up here already to take picture.
Yeah, but I just say it's been raining.
Oh, right here. We're gonna come here afterwards.
Raining.
Wait, are they not open today?
What's in there?
Oh wait, yeah, oh no, it's right here. Hours of operation 9 to yeah. No, we'll go see that first. No, that one is gonna be a lot. This one, we can come later. No, this one is gonna be people packed. Oh, where should we go?
We have to get out from here because we cannot go through here. Come on here.
Look at it's flooded everywhere. Yeah. We're gonna go back to where there's less water across the street. We'd rather mua chế lấy mua nữa. Oh. Here's Tropical Storm Debby. I taste salt. I taste salt. Oh yeah. Welcome to Dhau Pocket. Sao mà đi xe à? Ủa đây thì nhiều nó chuyện nó chỉ có chỉ mát là thật liền rồi. Oh my gosh. Đây thì sao mà đi xe nó hay cái nào? Đi xe à? In the ocean, your hotel, your actually I'm sure it's a hotel, but some chai thầu luôn. Để nhà thì nó tắt. Để đi từ xa để giờ ở từ tuần gió cho nên nó tự nhiên chống rồi. Đó là mà lắc lên nó nè. Cho đã cho đủ thầu nè, chỉ cho nó chống. Chứ cái gì nóยังkhông ta liền. Ôi vậy mà nó giờ kiếp xong nữa. có lúc hồi rồi lỡ đi nhá Key West à luôn nhớ nó mà chơi dùng chai thôi dùng cái chuyện nhớ nó đi rồi nhá nó nè đi rồi
Yeah, ocean.
đi cho thấy thì
Coming to
rồi
land right now. Yeah. Ocean's coming to land.
có nó chỉ muốn đá theo mày cứ
Look at
nè
that. Look at that
cái
storm.
gì anh tự chỉ muốn đá theo nào
Oh yeah, he was swimming over there. See the storm now. You want me to go to the ocean? Go ahead. Go all the way. Wait for the big splash. It's only coming every. There you go.
Met this nice lady by the buoy. She's a mail carrier for Key West. Her name is Millie, and she wanted a photo by the buoy, so I offered to help her out. I got a few shots, and here's one of them. Nó đi à cơ tôi chỉ thông báo cho cha ha kỳ đó ơi cho khi cho nên đó ha kỳ đó cho khi cho nên số này cái của lúc cho everything theo cho blow trong tờ thiên nhiên đâu rồi rồi yeah because you know nó nè nó đã đi đâu nữa nhớ nó đã xem trước nữa mà oh my god no oh là cái bên đó chỗ mình xịn đó yeah không thấy đó no yeah see it's going down see cái nó phá qua không vậy
Now they're all going there. See?
that's good oh look it's draining
They all
now
went inside.
yeah
See the people cycling on the other side.
nhưng mà lúc butterfly có thể đó lo
Yeah.
this is the southernmost resort oh yeah that's nice
This is the time when they should come and check all the great storm, you know?
yeah storm drink này chắc có thể lụt ra nè
Great storm or storm drain or whatever. It doesn't matter. Yeah, especially from outside or somewhere.
yeah
Yeah, it's stuck in there. Maybe it's in there.
một địa lúc butterfly conservatory và đây đi trâu khâu lên nó chứ trâu lên nó sẽ giờ cùng lấy đi mà đây đi trâu lên giờ thì mình sẽ lấy đi cái trâu mua về họ chỉ muốn đi right here anh ở trường go giờ làm mà go khâu con này you gotta go way up there ew you're wet now rồi chỉ muốn cái sọ nó ha cho nó rong co lợ cho nó rong co nè hả sure đó ha oh my god gusto po cho nó vô real lo so beautiful gusto po rồi cho butterfly rong lên nó ít rong lên rồi có vô lại anh đây look at this one oh
There's a few of them.
see them
Yeah. Butterfly. Is this butterfly? Century? Allah.
Okay, we are at the... You just have to make sure where you're walking, they said. Oh my god, look at that.
They land on me. Look at that. This one here. Big
Yeah.
one. Big one.
But
This side, you
I
can see
don't
the
like
head.
that one. I like that
See
blue
the
one.
head?
I like the blue one there.
The head.
Oh, look at those two. It's so pretty.
They tried to run away, but they have no place to go. 많아. 쥐는 이거 너무 쥐게 보면 그때 나 소리 이 오는지 쥐인 거에
Of course, that's how they drink.
Yeah, 이 맞아.
Don't you don't know?
어찌 내가 눈 감고 밖에 이제 I take you home, sir. That means you want to go home with me. See?
That's what she said. No hitchhikers.
No. Too bad. Good hit if I go.
Look at that little bird. So cute. Daddy trying to be still so they can land on
Man,
Daddy.
I'm here with a home. To go to the world. Not stuck in here.
If you stay still, they might come. What's he
Two of them.
doing? He's dancing. What's he
Yeah,
doing?
he's dancing. Two of them. You just stay there and
Look at all the goldfish too. Yeah. You know what salmon chơi của chỗ đại hả?
Storm is here, you'll get it.
Thank God for the breeze.
Yeah, over there, but this
This is
one's
the
little.
Circle K here.
A little tiny one. See?
Oh, I hear
That's
roosters.
cool, yeah.
Oh.
Cool. Halfway there.
This house reminds me of San Francisco. This is San Francisco when it's
Yeah. Look at the lot of
Blue-
Kenya, huh?
Blue lighthouse.
Kenya, huh? That's why it's going to the rainbow.
The Key West lighthouse.
That's why it's going to picture. Reading like a writing here, interest there.
Này here is a famous writer na.
Oh,
Là hai tiền đó na mua ít cho mì lo na em mua trâu tuần đi tờ na lợi do cho sinh duyên để cho mì ít duyên những để nó lo nữa nè. Ồ lắm hôm nay nó chua rồi. Em school nó mua có thứ mua mà. Nó mua six toes. Cái gì cho mua nè ha. Bây giờ lông bao anh đây đây.
Nó đây đi nào.
Của sao của nhỏ nó trẻ hả? Nó là chụp nó miếng gì hả? À thôi lúc trẻ nó thầu bún này nhau nó. Hi kitty. Hi kitty kitty.
Cái cổ.
I know nó có tiêu vô
Yeah,
rồi.
still walking. Cho họ nó cố xem có người này nó được. Còn sẽ cha cái đó.
The floorboards on this balcony felt a little bit unsteady and uneven. Yeah, there's a kitty there.
Yeah, he just eats bone mine now. Big one.
He's sleeping.
Bone mine now. It's gonna be good.
Oh my gosh. Look at almost 6 toes in behind us.
Yeah.
He's so tired.
Only five.
Oh.
Five.
Can you know all the thumb in it?
Oh, that's two.
Yeah.
Oh.
So right there near your direct descendant can make a count. Here we are trying to go get some lunch at Blue Haven, but sadly they were closed because of the storm. I know, hi Jana. What does it say?
Say, for breakfast.
I don't know. Cái chữ bó để nhăn nổi. That's a famous tree, no? In the Key West. End of the road gift shop. The Banyan. This is right outside our hotel. We saw this guy past us and he came straight to our hotel. Oh, it could be down there.
Yeah, or it could be in there.
We rested for a little bit after we got back from the conservatory, and then we are now on our way to go find dinner. We now get on the next one now. With the menu. So real. Daddy, no more tight that just storm surge lodge down a yacht.
Yeah. That's what I did complaints of the look on.
Nó last time là nó nhớ về Ulu Hotel. Daddy June pick, chị tao daddy cho phụ.
But not just that.
Gonna eat the papaya salad. Nó more outside now. Cái yo nếu muốn gì, nó chân đồng nó lo chỉ lo liền. Nó fountain chỉ có lửa na. Cái yo nếu mua hurricane nếu muốn gì no, 我只 no 掉，只出少很少。Usually, we're having dinner and then there's dinner walking around. Finally, no Thai food. Daddy happy. Here, me and Daddy are walking back to our room at the Margaret Resort after dinner. Our hotel is right next to Schooner's Wharf. And they have live music and good food, but we didn't get a chance to go and have dinner there while we were here. Right here, Daddy is carrying dinner or leftovers so that we can eat it later if we get hungry. And Daddy is telling me that that's part of the hotel over here. Hotel nó rộng cao cơ thế, đó là more live music hôm nay là cho phim nên đó na chị cụ tàu more cơ lụt cho sát sầu có trả anh chị nên đó hành chị YouTube chị nhé na Daddy's so funny in such a hurry didn't even wait for me